At first, if you think something is an allergen, may cause allergy in your child, then introduce it as a single ingredient, like an egg. You can cook it well and offer it to your child by mashing it. Then introduce it later as well. I mean, continue to offer it weekly twice, thrice, or monthly once or twice, going forward regularly, because your baby's gut will forget it otherwise. Third thing is ensure the food is well cooked, no half-boiled food, fish, egg, dry fruits. Even dry fruits will have to roast it well and powder it and offer to your child. Please keep an open mind, because negativity is not good for anything, and don't be scared, oh, what if it may cause allergy? No. And in case you want to introduce these, please offer it early in the morning or first thing in the morning as a first food, so that you have time to observe, monitor, and take care of your child in case of allergies. Morning is the best time. If at all you see some issues like hives, swelling of lips, eyes, ears, nose, vomiting, behavioral changes, breathing issues, please go to doctor immediately or call him up and he will be able to guide you on what has to be done.